Good day, everyone. Welcome to this video. Today I'm here to talk to you about Mitolyn. Mitolyn has been standing out in the market for it being just so powerful and actually providing people with this holistic approach to weight loss, for it finally helping people to love their bodies all over again, because this is a dietary supplement that helps you from the inside out. It's not a supplement that is just going to help you lose a few pounds. It's actually a supplement that will help you regulate, your whole entire bodies. So Mitolyn is here, and I am here to give you all the details about it today. Make sure you stay in this video up to the last second, because there's just so much I want to share with you guys. But I'll tell you what, if you want weight loss, if you want it fast, if you want to be healthy as well, then Mitolyn is going to be your best ally for this. I placed Mitolyn's official webpage in the description box of this video, so you can pop by there afterwards. You can purchase Mitolyn there. You can get to know more about Mitolyn there, as well as also read what other users are saying about Mitolyn too. So all of that and more is right here below this video. Anywho, my friends, Mitolyn holds 6 natural ingredients, and these 6 natural ingredients are phenomenal towards your health, because it is maca berry, it is rhodiola rosea, it is also amla, astaxanthin, theobroma cacao, chisandra. All of these ingredients go together into creating Mitolyn, and it helps you boost your mitochondria function. Do you even know what your mitochondria function is? Guys, this is a tiny enzyme in our cells that is responsible for letting go of fat stores. It's an enzyme that also helps our bodies fill our cells with energy. So if your mitochondria functions ain't working, your body ain't working too. So what Mitolyn does is it boosts your mitochondria function, and you are presented with a fast-working metabolism that helps you with weight loss. You have energy, you are more proactive, and on top of all of that, you have a health that is really, really good, because Mitolyn, it helps you with your heart, it helps you with your gut, it takes care of your cognitive abilities. So there's a lot of benefits that it brings to the table, And all it takes is for you to take 1 capsule a day, and that is pretty much it. You can use Mitolyn for 3 months or 6 months. However, I always tell people to use it for 6 months, because it really gives your body time to adapt to it. You take in all these benefits, you really get results, and you really slim down, So yeah, keep that in mind. But something else that I want to point out is that Mitolyn has a 90-day money-back guarantee. So in case you don't like it, in case it's a supplement that is not what you were expecting, you can simply go back to the official webpage and request a refund, okay? But give this a shot, guys. You are not going to regret it. Mitolyn has already changed the lives of so many people, and it's definitely going to work out for you too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.